Alright, we have got the Snoopy AV-8 unboxing. We got Flying Ace, and this would be number 170 of 250. Pretty neat little card. And then what looks to be the instructions. And ta-da! Yes, this is so awesome. Alright, so got Woodstock on the back, we got Snoopy, it's a little doghouse. What a cool watch. What do we got in there? Oh, that's the ultraviolet light, and then we have Snoopy. And if you use the little ultraviolet light, it shows another Snoopy in there. Cool. And he says, have a hold on. Have a good time. Okay, well that's weird. There we go. Have a good time. So very cool. Very nice little watch. On the back we have the peanuts with some cartoons, and then we got Snoopy and Woodstock, and then you have Snoopy here. I was hoping that was like ultraviolet, but no, it's just a regular Snoopy Flying Ace. It's really cool.